Welcome, this is the Sentinel Motorsports side skirt installation video. Step 1, clean off the mounting surface with alcohol swab. Do not use brake cleaner. In this kit, it includes 3M double-sided adhesive, and the side skirts utilizes the factory mounting points, so no extra bolts are needed. Step 2, apply the tape. To make installation easier, we have pulled back the tape and taped it to the outside to make it easier to pull. We have marked the lowest tape on here so you know which one to pull first. You pull that first so it does not stick to the top tape. Next step, use a cleaner that is appropriate for the surface of your car. Clean the mounting points where the side skirts will be actually attached. Next step, we're going to be removing the screws that we'll be using for the mounting points. There's 3 in the front, 2 in the back. For this next step, it's recommended you have a second set of hands helping you mount this. Next step is, we're going to bolt it in at the bottom loosely, which leaves a slack at the top. We're going to lower the car and pull away the tape. Remember, we're going to start with the tape we marked first, which is the lower one, so it does not stick to the top tape. Next step, after you press the side skirts up against the car with the tape, you have to tighten the bolts. After you're done bolting it up, repeat the same process on the other side.